To those who continue to ridicule our father, even in his death, we thank you for galvanizing within us a resolve to continue what both our parents embodied, a no-nonsense love for our country and our people.
The eldest son of the late Honorable Romeo M. Acop, Dr. Philip Acop, will now deliver his response on behalf of the family.
Blessed morning, everyone. 4 years ago, before I read my message, 4 years ago, my sisters and I, November, it was November, we were here again to do the same for our beloved mother. As Sec Puno mentioned, I don't think it will ever be easy that we do this po, but we still have to. So on behalf of the whole family, I would like to thank each and every one of you who have made this most difficult event in our lives more bearable. Sa inyong lahat at 10 ng aming pamilya, maraming salamat po. To the members and staff of the House of Representatives, led by its Speaker, Congressman Faustino Boji D. III, and our party chairman, Deputy Speaker Ronaldo Puno. Thank you for this ceremony. While my father was never one for such, actually when friends were asking for high-resolution photos po from the family, we couldn't offer any. We never had a photographer tailing us po in all 5 or 6 terms po in Congress. Our family is humbled, honored, and most importantly, grateful for this recognition. In light of the kind words and stories shared by his fellow congressmen today, it is comforting to know how our father has affected each of you, has left an indelible mark in each of you. 15 years ago, Dad ran to represent the 2nd Congressional District of Antipolo City. Back then, he did not have a ticket. He did not even have a party. All he had was an unshakable belief that he still had to serve his country. He won in 2010 by the skin of his teeth. His not-so-secret weapon was our mother, Dr. Sion, from whom we got the inspiration for the term Alagang Acop. Kung si Kong Romy ay pinapapasok sa gate o pinto noon ng mga bahay, si Doktora po pinapaakyat hanggang ikalawang palapag at hanggang kusina. In all but one of the elections that followed, Dad ran unopposed, as he consistently immersed himself deeper into the very fabric of the district he so proudly represented and positively impacted and uplifted the lives of its residents. To the Antipoleños from the 2nd District of Antipolo, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagtiwala, pagsuporta at pagmahal sa aming pamilya. Salamat po sa inyong pag-ampon sa amin bilang bahagi ng inyong pamilya. To those who continue to ridicule our father, even in his death, we thank you for galvanizing within us a resolve to continue what both our parents embodied, a no-nonsense love for our country and our people. Amidst your laughter in the face of a family losing a loved one, we will simply choose to serve our fellow Antipoleños, for that is the life we were nurtured to embody. That is how we were raised. As our nation continues to be deeply divided, we will bury our father and we will continue what he, together with our mother, nurtured us to become, what he challenged us to do. ang alagang akop at ang RMA ay hinding-hindi magmamaliw. Ipagpapatuloy po namin ito para doon sa mga patuloy na nananalig mula pa sa aming ina bilang isang kapwa naming manggagamot at sa aming ama bilang isang kapwa kong serbisyo publiko. Sa inyo na patuloy nagdadalamhati sa kanyang paglisan, huwag po kayong mabahala. Sapagkat ang aming pamilya ay hinding-hindi iiwan ang ating minamahal na Antipolo. Our father, they say, suffered from a heart attack. Deep down, we, his children, somehow disagree. Our father has long suffered from a broken heart. It was diagnosed on May 28, 2021, at exactly 5:45 a.m. when I told him that our mother, his beloved Dr. Sean, has passed away. He died from complications related to a COVID-19 infection after she continued helping the people of Antipolo amidst the pandemic and despite being in her 70s and already suffering from asthma. That fateful night that Dad died, as the doctors explained to us that Dad's heart had failed, we, his children, already knew at that moment that Dad's heart has finally become whole again. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Itutuloy po natin ang laban.